Hello, boys and girls. I will be reading days 4 through 5 of week 15, 180 days of reading. It says the title of this passage is Make Your Own Delicious Sandwich. Sandwiches make good lunches and are also easy to make. They can be good for you too. You can make your own tasty, delicious, mouth-watering sandwich. Here are 2 recipes. They are both healthy for you and they taste great. Before you start, be sure an adult is with you and be sure to wash your hands. Veggie pita. You will need 1 pita, 1 slice of bread, 1 slice of cheese, a half cup of lettuce, 1 tomato, 1 carrot. Falafel is optional. Plain yogurt is optional. Cut the pita in half. Cut the carrot and the tomato into small pieces. Open 1/2 of the pita. Fill it with the cheese, lettuce, tomato, and carrot. Add falafel, and yogurt if you like. Enjoy your creation. Another one is a turkey baguette. You will need 1 baguette, 1 leaf of lettuce, 2 slices of tomato, 1 slice of onion, and 2 slices of turkey, mayonnaise or mustard. Cut the baguette in half. Spread the mayonnaise or mustard on the inside. Put the turkey on the baguette. Then add the onion and the tomato. Then add the lettuce and close the baguette. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your sandwich or share it with a friend. It's your choice. Number 1. Which do you need for both the veggie pita and the turkey baguette? A. Cheese. B. Turkey. C. Mayonnaise. Or D. Tomato. Number 2. The purpose is A. To get you to buy something. B. To tell a personal story. C. To tell you how to do something. Or D. To ask for something. Number 3. Why would a person make his or her own sandwich? A. Sandwiches are easy to make. B. Sandwiches are healthy. C. Sandwiches taste good. Or D. All of the above. Number 4. What is the last step in making a turkey baguette? A. Closing the baguette. B. Cutting the baguette in half. C. Adding the onion. Or D. Putting the turkey on the baguette. Number 5. Someone who frequently blank would best understand the text. A. Someone who frequently reads. B. Someone who frequently cooks. C. Someone who frequently writes. Or D. Someone who frequently instructs. So someone who frequently blank would best understand the text. Is it A. Reads, B. Cooks, C. Writes, or D. Instructs? And number 6. What is this text about? Is it A. The history of pita bread, B. The history of baguettes, C. How to eat healthier, or D. Making pita and baguette sandwiches? That is it for day 4. And day 5, what you would do there is you would need to write. The writing prompt says, what sandwiches do you like to eat? Write about your favorite sandwiches. And you're just going to write that information on the line. And that's all for days 4 and 5. And you can go back and listen to the passage.